Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo channel. Welcome to another beautiful day in the sunny state of California. A few months ago, or a few videos ago, we replaced the headlights of my Mercedes Benz E300 diesel W210 and we replaced them with these beautiful USR DEPO brand aftermarket headlights. I like them so much and they bring such a modern look that I did the only natural thing. I ordered tail lights and they are clear smoked tail lights that we're gonna unbox in a few minutes, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install them on your car and how they look, of course. But first let me show you the tools we're gonna need: ratchet or a screwdriver. I'll use an extension and an 8mm deep socket. Of course, if you have other 8mm that you can use, that's fine. I'm using my beginner mechanic tool set from Amazon Basics. I'll have an affiliate link to that down in the description. Alright, so Unique Style Racing or USR Auto on Instagram, I'll have it linked down below. Send me these. They arrived very quick, as a matter of fact. It only took 2 days because they're based in Southern California and I believe they're in Rancho Cucamonga. So these are very well packaged, they're not moving anywhere, and they look great. These are the facelift tail lights, but in a smoke clear plastic. So another aftermarket set of tail lights, but they look great. So let's install them on the car. So this is one side, and since the car has 2 sets of lights, they come with the inserts as well. So I guess this one is for here. Now I'm going to show you how to install them on your car. So we're going to start with the inserts that are on the trunk. We have 2 8mm bolts right here and right here. They're actually nuts, they're not bolts. So we're going to put our socket and we're going to loosen them up. Loosen. Now there is one more right in here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you put your 8mm, you should be able to put it right on it, right there. And this one we're not going to take all the way out, we're just going to loosen it because that's what loosens a clip that holds the tail light in its place. So we're going to take the rest of these and we're going to pop the tail light out. Here we go, very nice and easy. And when it's in this position, you're just gonna pull it. If the clip is loosened up enough, it's gonna come right out, but I guess it's not, so we're gonna loosen up the nut a little more. There we go, came right out. There is a connector right here. We're gonna squeeze both sides, just pull it out, and like this we have one of the pieces out. Let's put the new piece in. Here is a little comparison to what they look like, and you're going to have to transfer the light bulbs from your old light to the new one. Just so you know, these don't come with light bulbs. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. Alright, let's put it on. Okay, so this right here is the clip that's gonna go underneath this lip on the trunk. But before we do that, we're gonna have to connect the light in. Connector goes only one way, you can't mess it up. And then you're gonna guide the clip from the bottom. Okay, it's gonna go in, and then we're gonna guide these bolts through. Alright, and then we're gonna tighten the 8mm bolt that holds the clip, and that is gonna tighten the insert. And then we're gonna install the 2 nuts that hold the other side of the tail light. And just like that, the first part is over. Here's a little comparison, old and new. Now it's time to get rid of that old red light and replace it with the new one. To replace the backlight, we're just gonna remove this cover, the one that covers the tail light from the back. First thing we're gonna do is remove the connector for the tail light bulbs, and then we have a few bolts. We have one right here, and one up there that I can't see because the camera is on the way. So okay, loosen one nut. Second one is down here right by the connector. I'm gonna finish it up by hand. The next one is right up here. And one up there. There we go. And this one is attached to a clip that holds the tail light in. With the 3 nuts and 1 bolt out, all we need to do is pull out the tail light. It should come right out. There we go. And just like with the other part, we're going to replace the light bulbs from one to the other. The one difference is this lights already come with a clip, so we're gonna loosen this clip and take it out, and we're gonna put it from the inside when we install the tail light. We're just gonna push it in the same way the other one came out. Very simple. There we go. And now we're just gonna tighten the nuts and the bolt from the inside. Alright, so I installed the 3 nuts in. It's better to put them in by hand, just in case if you drop one of them inside the little liner. Find out that this tool is very useful and you can pick it up. It's magnetic. I also got it on Amazon, and also leave an affiliate link down below. Saved my life, otherwise I'd have to take the whole liner out. So first I put the 3 nuts by hand, and now I'm gonna tighten them up, and after that I'm gonna put the little clip to hold the tail light. And so here is the installed product. There we go. We can see the difference, and now it's time for me to swap the right one as well and see how it looks with both of them swapped in. And just like that, both lights are on. Let's take the car out of the garage and see how they look in the semi-daylight, and we'll see if all the bulbs work correct. Perfect, all of them work. Damn, the car looks so good with these USR DEPO headlights. So the brand is DEPO, and it's sold by a company called USR Auto, Unique Style Racing. And let's see the back of the tail lights for a little bit of that murdered look. Damn, these look so good. I really like them. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I like the way they look. Do you guys like them? If you do, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't, do so as well. If you like today's video, hit the thumbs up, and make sure to check Unique Style Racing and maybe order yourself a set. Beautiful headlights for the W210 and the tail lights as well. Soon we'll be replacing the fog lights and the side markers, because this orange gotta go. We're gonna replace it with some clear markers, maybe in the next video, maybe in a few videos. Stay tuned. If you want to see those videos, best way is to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.